What's up, sister friends? Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to go ahead and achieve this look, go ahead and keep watching. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification button so that you guys know when I do upload a new video. Okay, let's get into it.
It's an amazing feeling when your face is clean. It's like, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
The Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumbers, and green tea.
It smells like love.
I'm gonna grab my primer.
I am gonna prime my face. I like using my ring finger and my middle finger when applying products.
I learned this beauty tip from one of these, I think it was like an elderly lady. She was trying to sell me some products. She was like, it's the best fingers to use. There's less heat. She said something about applying them with like your pointer finger was like the worst thing that you can do. I put it everywhere. And I am gonna grab my tea tree oil. Put some of these on my cara. And then I'm gonna blend it out. My face gets so irritated with anything that I put on it. It's like no, Celia, we're not doing that today. And I'm like, okay, I'm sorry. You're the boss. This makes me feel like a scientist. Look at that. Ooh, chirp, 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 chirp. It's so cute. I do apply one drop there, one drop there, one drop there. I get so jealous with the people who want perfect skin. Say hi.
Hi. Hiyacha.
It's not Alexa, baby.
Hiyacha. Hi, baby.
Let's get started. Did my eyebrow, set my concealer, powder, everything, did the whole shebang. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair back just to get like my hairs out of my face. I'm gonna be going in with my base shadow brush by Real Techniques. I'm going with the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna be picking up the color Red Carpet. I'm gonna be using that all over my crease and blending it out. Shoot. I had to leave and come back because I forgot to put my piece of tape on my eye. We don't want to make that mistake. Okay, so
like I said, I'm taking Red Carpet and I'm applying that all over, bringing it in, just blending it out.
I'm gonna start applying it in the outer corner as well. I try and leave my eyelid alone as much as I can. There is gonna be some fallout eyeshadow that's gonna fall on there, and that's okay. I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe M511. I'm gonna pick up the color FOTD. And I'm gonna start applying that in the crease, the outer crease. I'm blending it inward.
I sense a shark is near. Look out.
And like I said, I do like to drag my eyeshadow up to the tip of my eyebrow. I think it gives it a lot more drama. I mean, this is kind of a dramatic little eyeshadow look, but it's very beautiful and it's perfect for the holidays. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M149. It's a very small little bullet brush. And I'm going to be picking up the color Black Magic. It's just a black shadow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in. I'm going to dry my wing liner. Slightly dragging it out. I'm dragging it out to, like into the tape because I want to make sure that the tip is very fine. Oops. Okay, and then I'm gonna drag it inward. All right. Going back in with my Morphe M511 brush to just blend everything out. It's gonna be a lot of blending. It's a lot of back and forth, and that's okay. Again, my Morphe M149 brush, and I'm gonna be picking up color Power Slayer. And I'm gonna start blending out that black with the Power Slayer.
You guys, guys. I get such bad cramps when I'm sitting here. I'm not used to this. My contacts are bothering me though.
Okay, I'm gonna pick up my Morphe M511 brush again, and I'm gonna be picking up the color Power Slayer. I'm gonna start buffing out the black into the red.
I'm gonna start dragging that inward.
Blending brush by Eco Tools. I'm going to pick up the color Candy Crush, and I'm gonna put that on the inner part of my eye. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my glitter eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in the color Crystal Silver, and apply the glitter liner over the black. He's playing with burgers and fries?
Yeah.
Oh. But it's a little too late for ice cream right now, right?
Yeah. You want to be careful as you're outlining your liner. The glitter eyeliners tend to, I mean, you do have to build it up, so just want to be careful and try and make it as defined as possible. As defined as possible.
What is your favorite glitter color? Tell me. Comment it below. Is it blue? Is it pink? Is it silver? Is it gold? Gold is so beautiful. It like goes with everything and anything.
I'm going to be going in with this little eyeshadow brush. It's nothing. I just got it online. I thought they were really cute.
Doesn't have a name, but it's, you know what? We'll give it a name. It deserves a name. Every brush deserves a name. This is Vicky because it's so pretty and gold. I'm going to apply Light of the Party on my eyebrow bone. Ooh, that's nice. I'm going to be going back in again and applying that into my tear duct. And blend a little of that out. We don't want too much. Oh, there's never too much. Okay, so these falsies that I'm wearing, well, I'm about to apply to my other eye, are the Gala ones from Kiss. They're so pretty, so luxurious. Ooh.
Skip to my darling.
Take this tape off. Ooh. Hey, baby.
Sup, little essay?
Oh, this is spicy. Not different ranch.
I'm gonna grab a bullet brush and I'm gonna pick up the color Power Slayer and start buffing that right under my lash line. With my L'Oreal True Match. I am in the shade W4 Natural Beige.
Perfect.
And now I look like a ghost. Okay, so I'm gonna take this really like, I don't know, it's a very ashy brown. We're gonna call it Baba. And then we're gonna take this one up here, this coppery color, and we're gonna call it Shaba. Banana powder. Celestial. I'm gonna use this MAC matte lipstick in the color Diva. Diva, 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 diva. And of course it won't focus because my camera doesn't like me. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline New York lip gloss. This is in the shade Mauve Mystique. Does mommy look beautiful?
Yeah. Say bye. Hi, good night.
Okay, beautifuls, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you have any more suggestions, go ahead and comment that below. Please make sure to go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification button so that way you guys know when I'm uploading again. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.